Check devices. Check the initial status of all devices. For example, in a browser, the correct page should be opened. For debug purposes, there is a special keyboard icon to enable keyboard and mouse interactions. Don't use this feature for the final script playback. Execute the opened script on all connected devices or on a single device in case of debug mode. To monitor the execution, use the Dashboard tab to control the entire execution process. This tool shows remote screens at the top and highlights the script lines at the bottom. Check detailed result after script execution. Results contain detailed information about each step per each device and show the overall status.